The if expression is in the category other and has varying results for its data type. The purpose of this expression is to return different values based on a condition. The if expression has three parameters. The first is the condition that will determine the return value. The second is what is returned if the condition returns true, and the last is what is returned if the condition returns false. The result depends on the condition. If true returns true, then this is returned. Let me say that again. If the first parameter returns true, then the second parameter is what is returned by the if expression. If the first parameter returns false, then the third parameter is what is returned by the expression. Let's look at an example. Here we can see an if condition. The condition is if today equals January 1st, 2021. If today is January 1st, 2021, then we will return the text Happy New Year. Unfortunately, it is March 3rd. So instead, what will actually be returned, if this were to be run today, is wonder how long it will be until a new year. Here you can see the basic outline of an if expression. You have your condition, the result if the condition is true, and the result if the condition is false. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out AppSheetTraining.com.